Hey everyone, Zach Greenwade here at Performance Sport and Spine, and today we're going to go over exercises that help with back tightness as well as building up confidence and bending forward. So for this video, you're going to need an exercise ball and some sort of stool or small step, as well as if you're dealing with any acute injuries or kind of trauma to the back, these exercises should not be done until you've been seen by a healthcare provider first. All right, for the first exercise, we're going to do the cat camel, which is where you round your back and then extend your back. But since we're trying to deal with the low back, we're going to try to make sure we emphasize the low back rounding and kind of trying to gain range of motion in that plane each time we do that. So when you do it, focus on your low back and rolling the pelvis, then just moving your upper back. So we'll do a couple in this position. Again, there's no set of reps. This is kind of what you can do to your current tolerance level. Again, trying to get more range of motion as you do each rep. From there, we're going to just do some quadruped rock back. So you're just going to rock back onto your heels. You can provide some overpressure with your hands, but you want to make sure your back is relaxed and it's just passively kind of getting stretched and mobilized back. Sometimes tinkering with how wide your knees are can help you get more range of motion if you require that. It does feel good to kind of press and provide some overpressure at the end range. Once we feel like we've done an adequate number of that, we'll need to grab that stool and exercise ball that we talked about. And from there, you're going to sit on the stool, and then you're just going to roll the ball out as far as you can. If you feel any symptoms, you can stop, come back, and then try to roll out a little bit farther each time. Again, the goal is not to crank on the tissue, but just gently increase the range of motion each rep. Try to go slow and controlled and focus on moving your hands in the ball and not guarding the low back. Your back should be relatively inactive and just kind of passively getting stretched as we do this. If for some reason you start to feel a lot of back tightness, stop and don't do any more that day, as you can do too much of any exercise if you go too fast. We hope this helps decrease muscle tightness for you in the low back as well as build confidence and bending forward.